Nakalutang naman pala sila.
YouTube pa lang.
Ba't nag-YouTube ka?
Me first?
Yeah. Ako muna.
Sige po, ganun. Now, tulungan niyo muna to.
Ako muna. Oh, mainit. It's warm.
Kabalo lang ko.
Saglit na ka. Wait.
Sige po, sila na lang po bago kayo. Sige sir, sige sir.
Hawak, boss. Pahawak, boss.
Tara.
Saglit, boss. Gaanak ko. Boss, mahawak. Come on. Hold on to me. Boss, pahawak.
Ay, si ma'am. Ay, ma'am.
Hindi pwede. Nice, you push. Okay. Hold tight. Huh? They're pulling us.
Which one?
The guy. Oh my gosh. Oh, thank you so much.
Baba na sir. Sir, balik kami.
Ano na to?
Babaw na.
Mababa na to. Salamat ha.
Tayo na tayo.
Tayo na. Tayo na anak. Get up na.
Mababaw na. Dito. Yan ang Secret Lagoon.
Ito na secret lang yun. Get up anak ko. Ayan. Thank you po. Salamat po. Oh, watch the stones, my love, ha?
It's not secret anymore. Nakita nyo na eh. Ups.
Hello. Watch your head. Hello, ha? Salamat po.
Secret.
Hindi
Para
na.
manatiling secret, huwag nyo muna ipagsabi. Hop.
Salamat po.
Okay ka lang? Upo kayo, sir.
Ay po.
Tara sila, ma'am.
Salamat si Jim.
Ano natin, human drone muna mo. Ano, na yung picture not one by one.
Choy.
Yung picture not one by one. Kayo.
Basta anak. Eh, cold? It's cold. No.
Salty nga lang yung water.
Ah.
It's cold.
May ihi ako.
Alam mo sir kung bakit malamig?
Bakit? Oh?
Kasi kunti pa lang tayo.
Ah.
Pero kung marami na mamaya, mainit na
Marami
to.
lang.
Kasi,
Kasi marami na init.
Ew.
you understand what he said? He said, the water is a little bit colder because we're just few right now. And then when the people actually get in here, then it will get warmer. We go like, why? Because of people will actually get the pee here.
Feel the warmer water there. Though.
Yeah.
There's a lot warmer than here.
Yeah.
This rock because it's in the rock. Nice.
Yeah, this is nice. Look at up there, man.
Right there.
Whoa, fish. Let's see. There's a fish. Oh, here's something. Clear it. We didn't.
Water
Yep.
out.
Oh, look. Look, that's the fishes.
Thank you.
This. Let me see.
Two fishes.
Yeah. Look. Layla, come.
Let them swim.
Let them swim.
Anika, there's fishes.
I know.
There's
May
fishes.
isda ano. Oh, go. Go, I got you. Go, I got you. Get all the way in. Dive, dive, dive all the way in. I got you. What happened?
Loose.
Huh?
Loose.
Okay, wait, see. I'll fix it.
Wait,
I'll fix it.
let the water get out.
Huh? Come on. That's the reason why they don't use this. They use the other one. Oh, see the picture. Hmm. Hang on. Is it tight now? Tight? Okay. Picture. Thank you.
Right here, Dad.
What?
Right here, it's
Coming.
leaking in.
It's leaking. Oh, that's why. Should have brought the
No, wait.
the snorkel.
Right here.
Tight here. Okay, let me tight it. There. Good job, my love. You can do it. Go. Or press it. You press it, my love. You good now? Good.
But my eyes sting.
You get into your eyes now.
My eyes sting.
Your eyes sting because it's salt.
Oh.
It's salt. You have to make it. Good.
You know, this is like the melon sandbox. Melon sandbox.
Jess, mahigpit ka ba sa ilalim? Ganito ka. Ganun yung dog mo sa ilalim. Okay. Oo, siyempre. Safety yun. Uh-huh.
Why does Mom not want to swim?
Because she has,
Here is water.
no.
Picture na ito.
Oo, okay lang naman. Picture
Nakakita na kayo ng buhaya.
Ah, ayan.
Ng buhaya.
Asan yung buhaya, CJ? Ayan, oh. Nakadikit, oh. Ayan. That's the buhaya.
And other one is like a turtle, the head of turtle.
Ayun.
Ayun sir, crocodile. Ayun, head of turtle. Tapos ito po, parang kung hindi po yun siya napura na po kasi, parang last supper po siya.
Ah, oo. Oo.
Ano nakahiga. Just like a head.
You good?
Yeah. Oh, I'm not the only kid here. Yay, I'm not the only kid here. I. It's in.
It's in? It's on. Like in your wedgie? It's in your wedgie?
Yeah.
You got a wedgie? Yeah, that's okay. That's okay.
Careful. Yeah, I should have weared my thing.
Let's go.
May oras pa.
Okay, come on, let's go to the beach.
Going to the beach?
Uh-huh. Going to the beach. Uh-huh.
Oh wait, I'm gonna fart.
Go ahead.
What if the fish is?
Tapos ito yung
What happened to the fishes?
There's a lot of people now, so they... that's right. Yeah.
saserveyahin, baka mauntog. Head down.
Be careful. Let me hold this one for you first.
Okay, it's
Ay.
a baby girl. Bow your head and let's pray. Bow your head, close your eyes and pray. And also, what's your name?
Watch me whip. Oh, kumata ha. Okay na lang.
Shiny na yung ano. Bato dyan.
Marami na na-discuss.
Try your head, ha? Watch your head, my love.
What's up, baby boy? Sipin nyo lang yung bagong silang kayo.
Oo nga. Palabas to sa ano.
Wait, malam. Baby boy yan. Opo.
Ito na one.
Wala sir, bata dito.
Oh, sige. Okay. Ano pangalan mo, boss?
Buyat po.
Boyet. Oh. Boyet. Doon tayo sa ano, no, beach. Ito, more na. Let's go to the beach.
Beach?
Aha. Mababaw yan, ano. Hawak.
Bakit gusto niyo po magloko? Ice cream sa bangka na lang po ang bayad.
Oops. Okay. Watch your step, my love. Watch your step.
Una nang safe. Bangka na lang po sir ang bayad sir.
Jazz, mauna ka anak. Alalayan mo sila.
Oo.
Alalayan mo. Ikaw ang dapat. Ako sa likod, ikaw sa harap. Dito sa kapatid mo, ha? Jazz, sa kapatid mo. Dalawa sila. Watch your step, my love, ha? Malalim ba ito mababaw? Malalim ba ito mababaw? Ayan. Ayan, thank you.
Sir, pagkataan po kayo.
Ako? Ayan, ako dito. Oo.
Mga kamag-anak din kami dyan sir.
Sa Cavite? Oo.
Mga sipat.
Oo.
Madami sila dyan.
Marami siya. Pero Puerto ako eh. Puerto Princesa, ako pinanganak.
Sabi dito.
Gomez.
Mga Gomez.
Oo.
May kilala ko mga Gomez.
Oo.
Dito mga Gomez.
Oo, dito may mga Gomez nga. Nagulat nga ako eh.
Kwento talaga.
Oo. Gomez talaga ako. Oo. Ay, nako.
Magka dyan madulas yan dyan.
Malalim na ba dito, CJ?
Mababaw na.
Pwede na akong tumayo.
Opo.
Tingnan natin. Oh. Thank you, CJ. Ito na. Oh, pwede magkape.
Pwede rin. Warm pala, warm.
Ayun. It's okay. I can't swing that deep. You're good. You're able to.
Done.
Oh, look at that. Jeez. Whatever it is. You okay? Don't let go. Always like hold me here, okay? Ay, ko. Dito tayo.